Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I have a 2-box break of Donruss 2009 Classics. This break is brought to you by blowoutcards.com. Definitely want to go check them out. So let's get started with the first box. First pack. Which I am struggling greatly with. Base. Malcolm Jenkins, School Colors. Not numbered. Base and base. Second pack. Base. Joe Green Legend base. Base and base. Pack number 3. Base. Troy Aikman Legend base. Base and a base. It's pack 4. Should have 3 hits per box. Base. All base in that pack. 5. Base. Eugene Monroe rookie card. Numbered 199 out of 999. And the rest are base. This is number 6. A classic singles, Lawrence Taylor, numbered 146 out of 250. And 2 base. Reggie White classic singles with a jersey, numbered 142 out of 250. Base and base. Base. Sunday's best, Peyton Manning, 49 out of 100. And base. Next pack, base. Joseph Adai, Sunday best. Looks like it might be a patch there. It's pretty thick. 287 to 299. Base. base, and base. So we got 8 more to go. Base. Randy Moss Timeless Tributes insert, numbered 95 to 100. Base and base. Next pack. Base, 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 base. Base, base. Justin Gage, Timeless Tributes, numbered 19 out of 50. And 2 bases. Next pack. Base, base. Jay Cutler, Sunday's Best, numbered 18 of 25. And 2 base. 4 more packs to go. Base, base. Monday Night Heroes, Jay Cutler, 168 out of 250. 2 base. Base, base. Ooh. LaShawn McCoy, Significant Signatures rookie, number 91 of 250. It's not a signature on card, it's a sticker. Second to last pack in this box. Base, base. Mark Sanchez School Colors. Just the base there, no auto. Base and base. And last pack from the first box. Base, base. Kenny Britt School Colors. And 2 more base. Alright, I'll be right back with the second box.